channel. Hope you all are doing well and taking care of yourself. So in today's video we are going to do cooking and
Are you, serious?
yes, cooking. So I was just scrolling a few days ago and I saw a post on Facebook.
So?
Please follow me on Facebook. Where was I? So yeah, I was scrolling the Facebook and I saw a recipe of waffle.
Waffles, 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 waffles.
And I was so curious about that post because the caption on that post was DESI waffle. I thought, what is this DESI waffle? I mean, how is she going to make the DESI waffle? So I just opened that post and मैंने देखा कि वो रेसिपी जो थी बहुत ही easy. I mean I thought ये तो अपने से बन ही जाएगी.
No.
मतलब बहुत ही easy रेसिपी थी वो. So since I'm done with my dinner, so I thought that I should make it now and I should share it with you guys so that you all can make at your homes because it is quite easy and all the ingredients which we need in this recipe are quite easily available. So let's not waste more time and get to our sweet recipe of waffle. Before going, I just want you to follow me on Instagram, follow me on Facebook and obviously subscribe me on YouTube channel so that we can extend this family. सबसे पहले हम पैन को गैस पर रखेंगे. हम लो फ्लेम पे ही रखेंगे गैस को और पैन को ग्रीस करेंगे घी या फिर बटर से. उसके बाद हम 3 ब्रेड स्लाइसेस रखेंगे पैन पर. एंड वी विल क्रिस्प देम. The flame should be low always while making it. Then we will take chocolates. चॉकलेट आप अपनी मर्जी की जो भी आपको पसंद है वो ले सकते हैं आप. ब्रेड स्लाइसेस को हम एक के ऊपर एक रखेंगे और चॉकलेट की लेयरिंग करेंगे. चॉकलेट का अमाउंट आप कितना भी ले सकते हैं, दैट इज़ योर चॉइस बिकॉज द अमाउंट ऑफ चॉकलेट विल ओनली इन्हांस द फ्लेवर ऑफ वॉफल. तो आज का दिन मैं बिल्कुल भी अपने वेट की टेंशन नहीं लेने वाली हूँ एंड आई विल एंजॉय दिस वॉफल. Now we will press the waffle. हम टाइम टू टाइम ब्रेड्स को टर्न करते रहेंगे ताकि वो जले ना. And now we will do plating. So here is our waffle. Now we will take vanilla ice cream. You can take any ice cream of your choice. And now we are adding the scoop of vanilla ice cream on the top of waffle. Here is the Hershey's syrup. We are going to spread on the waffle. मुझे Hershey's syrup बहुत पसंद है इसलिए थोड़ा ज़्यादा है. But it's okay. Ta-da! Here is our waffle. Enjoy! Hope you guys liked the video. Make sure to cook this recipe at your home because it is very easy since you all saw it earlier and it is very delicious and those who are sweet lover then आपके लिए तो बनता ही है ये बनाना. आप चाहे अपनी मम्मी को बोलो चाहे आप खुद बनाओ. आप खुद भी बना सकते हो बिकॉज अगर मैंने बना ली तो आप भी बना ही सकते हो बिकॉज दिस इज़ वेरी ईजी. सो मेक श्योर टू कुक इट एंड बी हेल्दी, स्टे एट होम एंड ऑल्सो इफ़ यू वांट मी टू डू मोर सच वीडियोज़ ऑफ कुकिंग एंड if you have any unique recipe, so make sure to send it to me on Instagram and Facebook. I will look into it and make a video on it, and please drop suggestions and so that I will make more videos of the content you want to see, and please support me guys. I hope we will extend our family to, I don't know, but I hope we to-do list for you. Like, share and comment on this video, and so that's all for this vlog. See you guys in the next video. Till then, stay tuned, stay healthy, stay safe and stay at home. Ta-ta.